People of South Africa, it is the morning. Tomorrow, it is the 17th of November 2025. The national shutdown is still happening. Tomorrow, the 17th of November 2025, the national shutdown is still happening. But I saw a video la usis dube ati ama province I2 they were rejected ama permits, that being Mpumalanga ne Gauteng. But kula amanye ama province, 7 provinces bapwe ama permits. So therefore the national shutdown is still happening sasa. But you know what motivated me to do this video this morning is lama comment of people saying sinengani, we have kids who are writing exams. The question is, do you think myself anginazo ingane ezibhalayo kusasa? You have people who come to our comment sections who are saying tomorrow we are going to work. Don't you think that I'm also working? Don't you think that I'm also working? Because of even the housing kuyo manje ngiyayibhadalela lendlu lena. I'm paying bond for this house. But then let me tell you something, guys. And this kukhomba ubulima babanye abantu. Because of, do people really understand why we are saying the national shutdown must happen tomorrow? Do people understand why we are saying on the 21st, we must all go out to the street and say no to gender-based violence? Do people understand why tomorrow we are saying no to rent manipulation? Do people understand when we say all the corrupt politicians must be arrested? Do people understand, Guguti, as South Africans, if we will not stand up for our country, there is nothing that is going to happen. In fact, the very same kids we are saying they are writing exams tomorrow, they are going to inherit a country. They don't know. Do people understand, Guguti, if we are not going to stand up for our country right now, our country, South Africa, is going to end up being like these other African countries? Our country is going to end up, abantu base South Africa, going to other countries now, when they are in other countries. So guys, people must never think when we are doing what we are doing right now, it's because of we are bored or we have nothing to do with our lives. We are doing this thing for the future of our kids. Today you have ingane enithi zibhala ama exam kusasa. The very same kids ekuthi zizoceda ikolo after lapho azithola imisebenzi. All because of we are led by a useless government. We are led by a government enganandaba even about those kids. So what we are doing, in fact, we are not doing for ourselves. Some of us, when we are doing this thing, because of, I think maybe some of the people, they think we are doing this because of we love, or we do this because of we have nothing to do with our lives. While we are doing this, we are risking with our lives. While we are doing this, we may be the targets of sifuna ukubulala. But we understand, Guguti, for the betterment of our country, for the betterment of our kids, the future of our kids, we have to do this thing. And if it means some of us losing our lives, then that's okay. Imagine as umzali, you come to a comment section. Let's say you are a man. What does your wife, umfazi wakho uthini makabona that comment? Is she even proud to call you their husband or to call you the wife? When you are not fighting for your country. So we also have ingane. Myself, I have kids who are writing exams tomorrow. Myself, tomorrow, I have to report to work. And my boss will see this, but I don't care. Because of where we are in South Africa, Vele, we must be at a place where we don't care. Because already we are suffering, already we are dying. So some people, or maybe some people who come to our comment sections are those who are saying, no, me, I'm fine. Therefore, I don't care about those who are not fine. But for some of us, we understand, Guguti, when our neighbors are not okay, when there are still kids who are on the corners of South Africa, but daisa umzimba, not because of they want to, but because of they want to feed their families. That's why we are doing this thing. When there are those young people, Guguti, today, their lives are destroyed by drugs. There is no way that we can be relaxing. So that's why we are saying tomorrow the national shutdown is still happening.